The biggest mistake Amazon sellers make when optimizing their listing is skimping on product images. I cannot stress this enough. Product images are the most important part of your listing. And if you think about it, it doesn't matter that you have an amazing copy, a title filled with highly searched keywords, if you have developed an amazing product, if you cannot convey that through your product listings, you're not going to get any sales. That is why in this video, I am going to share with you the top 3 Amazon product listing agencies that will deliver the best results for you. Hi, my name is Ali Hobart, and along with my husband Sumner, we're 7-figure Amazon sellers. And after talking to hundreds of other sellers, as well as testing several agencies ourselves, we have chosen these 3 Amazon product listing studios that are hands down the best one that I could possibly recommend for you. And I will be sure to leave all of the links as well as any discount codes that we might have in the description below. So be sure to check there. And without further ado, let's get to it. First recommendation is AMZ Onestep. This agency offers a variety of different services, including product listings, A+ content, video, and even keyword optimization as well. We have personally worked with AMZ Onestep, and I have to say we were extremely satisfied with the results. My favorite thing about them is the bang for your buck. They are, in my opinion, the best value in terms of the cost and the quality of the images that you get. The team was also super friendly and easy to communicate, and the delivery was actually super fast. We do have a discount code with them, so I will be sure to leave that link in the description below. Number 2, we have Share It Studio. We have also worked with Share It Studio in lots of different projects and could not recommend them enough. Now, they are a little bit on the more expensive side, but that is because they do a whole production for your product images and videos. They're very good with product videos as well. Starting from the project planning, they do an amazing job actually researching the audience and coming up with the best images and scenes for your videos that will convey the most important aspects of your product in the images. They will also get for you the best models. If you have any shooting locations that you need to be specific, they can get those for you. So there's a lot of work and care that goes into it, and that's why the cost is a little bit higher. But trust me, the results are amazing. I specifically love their product videos, but they're also really good at the quality of the images and the graphics that they come up with it as well, with the text and everything that goes on within the image. So highly recommend, and we'll be sure to leave the link and the discount code in the description as well. Finally, number 3, we have Spotlighted Studio. Now, this studio is extremely unique, and yes, it comes with a high price tag, but trust me, if you really want to stand out from your competitors, this is the agency to go with because they're going to offer you extremely high quality deliverables starting from their 3D renderings. So that is something very unique that they offer, and it looks amazing. Not only you get to show all sides of your product, but specifically if you have products that require assembly, or maybe it's a piece of technology and you want to give that bam, really nice view of your product for customers, I highly recommend that you get their 3D renderings. But the entire graphics that they put together is really top notch. So I highly recommend checking them out as well. And I will leave our referral link in the description below. And there you have it, the top 3 Amazon product listing agencies that we recommend. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have worked with one of them and you want to share your experience as well, or if you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. And also subscribe to the channel because we have so many helpful videos here, tutorials, interviews, everything to help you succeed, not only on selling on Amazon, but also Etsy, Walmart, and even other aspects of your business and your entrepreneurial life. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.